love it. Yeah, I know, right? She's now,
So are we.
now she's messing with me. Is this the best trade you've ever had
Yes.
in your life?
The last year.
Nice job. Very proud of you, Mashulo. I appreciate you.
Thank you for your teaching.
You're
I
very welcome.
appreciate you.
Absolutely. Have you finally gotten out of that hole you were in before you joined us?
Working my way, working my way.
Nice job. You have a couple more of those and you can't help but be out of that hole, right?
Ooh, pretty soon.
Nice job. So in case you guys don't know, so Mashulo was trading on her own for what, 30 years?
All my life. Yes, about 30 years.
Yep.
I was just dabbling, coach. I dabble here, dabble there,
Yep.
between kids, you know,
Yeah, I know.
things like that.
So how
Yeah.
has your trading, how has your life been since being in American Dream Trading as far as your trading goes?
Every day is a learning experience. Every day I learn something new.
That's beautiful. And she's part of our VIP green team, by the way.
And now that I have no kids to take care of, like I have my kids are all adult, I have all the time in the world now, so I could really put the time in.
Yeah, that's beautiful. You and I have spent some one-on-one time together too, haven't we?
Oh yeah. Very early on, I was one of your early VIP also.
Yep. Yep. So you guys hearing the lessons, invest in yourself, spend the time. Next thing you know, you're in here with over a 6-figure trade on a single day and a single morning. By the way, if you look at the time frame, right? If you look at the time frame, we're talking about around 10:16 to 11:35. That was just a little over an hour to make over 6 figures. Okay.